afternoon, everyone. Hope you're well on this Monday afternoon and ready to learn and do our decimals or any questions on language, which I think I left my book upstairs. So I am going to text Dylan to bring it down while he's sitting up there watching TV and eating lunch. Exciting times, you know? So Dylan, can you please bring me language? Okay. Hi, Lily. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Annie. How are you all today? Is it turning warmer? Ooh, it's a little chilly this morning. I accidentally left a window open and wow. It is your birthday, isn't it? Or was it yesterday? No, it's today. Which one is it? I forget. Yeah, it was yesterday. Happy birthday then, Miss Chloe. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter. Okay. Are we ready to do some math on lesson 112? Did you find it fairly easy today? Just filling in those spaces with zeros when we were subtracting our decimals. So I'm hoping you found that easy enough. Hey, Chase. Hi, London. Oh, and Abigail, I'm sure you're with Lily. Hello, hello. Oop, Dylan's coming. We went upstairs. It wasn't upstairs. Maybe I should tell him where it is. It's teacher's manual. On the couch. On the footstool. There we go. Maybe he'll bring it down now. Sounds like he's in the kitchen. You got chickens, Lily? You guys are so cute. Okay, any questions on 112? Did you do okay with the decimals and the zeros and any of the other problems give you any questions at all? Doing okay? Super, Anthony. Great to see you. Okay, guys. Oh, you did good? Okay, super. Anybody else have questions? Did it feel more like review than an actual assignment, maybe? And how did your warm-up do? Page, was it lesson 61 page? No, lesson 31. Part 1 on page 62. Did that go okay too? Dylan's making an awful lot of noise up there. Don't know what he's doing today. Okay, math questions, anything at all? Okay, any language questions at all? Anythings at all? We don't have a history assignment this week for our state report. So nothing to do in history this week. Probably nothing in science yet either. So we're just sticking to reading, spelling, math, and language. We're just doing a chapter a day, Lily. Is it bugging you? You just want to it is a good story, huh? Yes, we started our new packet in language, so everyone should have their language papers or English papers today. Very good. Oh, so sad, Lil. So sad. You'll be okay. We're on chapter 5 and we have 10 more to go. So in 2 weeks, we'll be done. Dylan's not texting back. That child. Do I open up the door and talk with him. He goes, what? Sweet. Silly boy. You are already done, Annie? Good for you. Does anybody have language questions? Language book on footstool. Please bring. Should we try that? See if that helps us? Okay, great. I see that you want number 22. Got it. Okay. So number 22. I'm doing that for you, Miss Abigail. Great to see you. Okay, so you don't need to do 22 anymore because I'll go ahead and get that done. London. Are you talking about in the warm-up packet or in number 7 in the book? Let me know. Okay, Abigail, I'm doing your 22 right now, so I need you to not type anymore that you need 22 because I'm getting it right now and I want you to watch up here, okay? Okay, so 22. The language book, it's the spiral book on the footstool. Do you want to come say hi?
No.
They want to see you. You want to say hi? You can bring the cat. Okay, here is Mr. Dillon.
Hi guys, how are you? Let's see what the chat says. Okay. Dylan. Hey man. I can't see whose name is that.
Who?
Whoever
Where?
said my name. Oh,
Lily.
hi Lily.
And Lily, I see you want 1, 4, 14, 16, and 17 on English. Got it.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so
I'm gonna go grab your book now.
okay, thanks, Ben. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do number 22 in math. And it shows us having 1/3 divided by 2. Can you see that okay? Maybe I'll write it a little bigger. 1/3 divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to keep it, change the division to multiplication, and our 2 is really 2 over 1. So we're going to put it 1 over 2, and then we'll multiply 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Super. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was number 22 in math. Okay, guys. How are we doing? Okay, so if you've done English and don't have it corrected, or if you need to look at it, please get out. We're going to do 78. So I have a bunch of questions on that you should be checking out. And we'll do that. Okay, so Abigail, if you need number 1, I will come back to it. We're going to do language for a little bit, and then we're going to come back to that. Unless the 1 is for language, and then we're doing it. Okay, so number 1 in English. Are you talking about the worksheet, Lily? The worksheet 78 that you had to do independently, right? Okay, so you're supposed to put the word early into the ER form and the EST form. Well, early is the type that has the consonant Y, so you're going to change it to an I and then either add ER or EST. Okay, so we would have earlier, spelled like that, and we'll have earliest, spelled like that. Hi, Judah. Okay, number 4, we're going to take happy. And once again, what are we going to do with a Y? Yeah, change it to I, and then add our ER, and then add our EST. So we're going to have happier and happiest. Okay. You add I only when you have to change the Y to an I. Otherwise, normally they're going to just be this. But there's the times when you have the Y with a consonant, and then you're going to change that. It was an unknown solicitor person. Sorry, my ringer was on. Okay, so that was 1, that was 4. Now look at 14. It says, we think it is blank, and we're going to use easy to walk on a cool day than a hot day. So our word, can you see? I'll just do a new page. Okay, so easy is just like the 2 we did because it has the Y here. So what do you think we're going to do with this Y again? Yeah, easier. Good job. You got it, Lily. It's going to be easier and easiest. Okay, very good. 16, the polar bears were lazy. Oh, guess what? It's another Y ending with our consonant. So you know what you're going to do now, right? Yeah. Change the Y to an I and either add ER or EST. So, but which one fits, right? Oh, I didn't finish 14. Sorry, guys. We think it is easier to walk on a cool day than a hot day, or we think it's easiest to walk on a cool day than on a hot day. Well, it's comparing two things. So you're going to, if it has two things, are you going to do earlier or easier or easiest? Yeah, easier. Very good. And then looking at lazy, the sentence reads, the polar bears were lazier than the monkeys. Oops, I just told it to you. Let me try that again. Do you think it's using lazy? Is it lazier or laziest? And the reason it's lazier is because it's comparing them, the polar bear, to the monkeys. So there might be a ton of monkeys, but it's just saying the monkeys. So that counts as one. Does that make sense, guys? Doing okay? Yeah, so it's going to be lazier. So it would look like this, I-E-R. Okay, number 17, we're going to use hungry. And once again, we have our consonant Y. So we're changing it to I and either adding ER or EST. So let's read the sentence and find out. The seals were hungrier or hungriest than the dolphins. Which one are you use? It's kind of just like the last one. So what do you think it is? Yeah, it's going to be easy or hungrier because it's just talking about the seals and the dolphins. So you're going to use the ER and make it hungrier. Very good, guys. Okay, that concludes Lily's questions. Are there any more questions on our language assignment? If not, I will go back to math because I believe, Abigail, you wanted 22, right? Okay, language okay, guys? Okay, Lil, see you later. Chloe, you don't have any questions? You're doing okay? Very good. Have you guys tried the new Premium Spelling City? Did your assignment on it today? Took your pretest? Did you get an okay with your passwords and usernames? Did that all go okay? Okay, so back to Abigail. Did you need number 22 still? Or well, my screen shouldn't be freezing because there's no, I'm hardwired in. So ever since I did that, it seems to be working pretty good. Oh, your mom gave you yours? Okay. Anybody try Spelling City yet? It's okay. I think we'll do something on there tomorrow too and go back to typing.com. Do a lesson on there too tomorrow. Okay, so I thought you wanted 22. Abigail, you don't need it anymore? I wrote down that number for you, though. Or is that the one we did? Okay, good. Anything else, guys? Doing okay. I love those thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Yes, you have your own account on Spelling City. They should have been in Dojo or emailed to your parents this morning. So you'll get on there and we can actually do everything now. And it'll let me know what you're doing, so I know if you've been on there or not and how you're doing. So it's kind of cool. Oh, sorry. What's that? London is number 7 in the book. Is it improper or mixed number? I don't know. Somebody's been messing in your book. My answer book says to get it to a mixed number. Do you want me to go through it with you? We can. Okay. Can we see down here okay? Okay, so we have 1/5. Oh, good, you can see that. And we have 7/8. And we need to make the denominator 40. How did 5 become a 40? 5 times 8. Very good. And if we did it to the denominator, we do it to the numerator, so that equals 1. So 5 times 8 is 40. 1 times 8 is 8. Super. And then how did this 8 become a 40? Yeah, we just figured it out there. 8 times 5. And then we do it to the numerator. 7 times 5, 35. So that's the first part of your question's answer. This is the second part. And then we add them together. So what is 35 plus 8? Yeah, 43, right? And then we take 43 over 40 and divide like it asks. And 140 can go into 43 with a remainder of 3. So then we take our 3 over a 40 and get that for an answer. Super fun, guys. Okay, so anything else? We ready to call it a day, or what do you want to do? Let's see. Should we talk about Easter for a little bit? Does that sound good? Oh my goodness, Chase, you were fishing in 22 degrees. Did you catch anything though? Did you have some good times? Very good. Abigail, you're going to go fishing today too? Oh, that sounds really neat. And a basketball hoop? Excellent, you guys. Okay. Well, I think we're good for today. Oh, you can't see this part? Did you want me to get it for you? Whoa. Do you see what we did there with our 2 fractions? We renamed them into 40s. And then we ended up with 43 40ths over there and got, after we divided our whole number plus our fraction, which made our, what's that? You're going trout fishing. Very cool. I'm sorry, made our mixed number. Let me finish my sentence. Goodness. I don't understand. Do you need question 9 and question 11? Okay, it looks to me like you guys are done. I see no more questions coming. And I think we'll call it a day. Okay, if you have any more questions, just have your parents text it to me, or we can FaceTime or do something if you have any more questions today. If not, my Dilly is going to help me make some more math and language today, so I won't have to do it live. You can actually back to videoing it. It's so much nicer and easier to help. Okay, guys, love ya. See you tomorrow.